Hey everyone, I want to show you the painting from video 532 where I used the hairdryer, and it looks pretty much exactly as I left it. I love it. This area is very cool. And I like this area, and that's where I just blew the paint using my mouth. Here, I have been getting a lot of the same questions lately, which is fine. It means you guys are watching and loving. But please read this. Freeze the frame if you need to. Any questions you have about the pan I use, the paints I mix, it's all on videos for you to find. This is kind of a cheat sheet page that will give you all of the links. So please check that out. And it should be fairly easy to find your answers. If you still can't, then give me a holler. But as a teacher, I like to say, ask three and then me. And if you're not a teacher, or if you are a teacher, you're like, yes, I know what that means. But I also have had some wonderful viewers who have answered questions for me for other folks before I've had a chance to get back to them. And I really appreciate that. One person, apologizes she was stepping on my toes. I'm like, no, thank you. It really does help. So I appreciate that as well. Okay, so I'm just going to do a little flip and drag. I think I will use silicone, and I think I will use my old school silicone, which is WD-40 black can, black can. The other one is not silicone. And I've got Grimbacher Vermilion mixed with Artist Loft Metallic Orange. That's in here. Craft Smart Fuchsia. I think I'm just trying to use this up. Artist Loft Metallic Purple. I think I'll like these colors. I may need to add like a darker one in between or something, but those will be good to start. And today is Saturday. I just released, so today is, I just made that hairdryer pour live. Usually I have about 3 videos kind of stockpiled. I don't. I have none. 0. Zilch. So I'm hoping I can get some painting done. It's getting late today, Saturday, but hoping I can get some painting done tomorrow. Because Monday and Tuesday, I will be out of the house for about 14 hours each day, so there won't be any painting going on, unfortunately. But I have some very cool events I'm attending, so that will make up for it. I went from not, years ago not being busy, and now it's like all the time. It's better for my mental health though. Staying busy is the key to not being too busy, but staying just the right amount of busy is the key to my healthy mental health, I have found. I don't know about your own mental health. You might just have to figure that one out on your own. But having a place to go every day, a place where you're expected to show up, really does keep you on track. Oh my goodness. So I am super psyched about 2 things right now. The first is that about an hour ago, we just got a new washer dryer. Yay, whoop whoop. I ordered it online last night and it was delivered 12 hours later. I love it. So, very excited about that. That's when you know you're an adult. And he's like, and you have to wait about, 4 hours before you can use it because it's so cold from being on the truck. And I was like, damn it, I really want to do a load of laundry, but I can't. So I'm going to spritz it in here, but I'm doing it away because I don't want it on the canvas. It was a big, I didn't use the nozzle, so it came out big, but I can see that there is some in here. And again, I don't want to set this on there because there would be silicone on the bottom. And my other super exciting news is there is a Jewish holiday coming up called Purim, P-U-R-I-M. If you're not familiar with it, Wikipedia it. It's an interesting, fun holiday. Kids love it. You dress up. As a kid, I always dressed up as Queen Esther, and it was awesome because we would take those McDonald's crowns and spray paint them and bedazzle them, and so my brother and I were always kings and queens. But this year I came up, my husband and I have come up with, because there's an adult porn party that's kicking, so I came up with my costume and now I just have to perfect it. But I have the idea. That's my exciting news for the day. Ooh. All right, so this is not very much paint. This is less than 1 tablespoon. Now the WD-40 gives different cells than the treadmill silicone. Treadmill silicone gives giant blooming cells. These are much smaller. I am going to so you can see they're much, much smaller. And immediately I was going to go through that, and I probably still am because I don't like that look. You guys know me. Ooh, pretty. Loving on the colors. It was so fun today. I went to someone's house. They wanted to check out my artwork, see how it looked in some of her rooms. And it was so cool because there was one piece that we both really liked in the room. And then at the last minute, I was like, it was a 10 by 20. So at the last minute, it was like, let's turn it horizontal. And oh my God, when we turned it horizontal, immediately we were both like, yep, that's it. That's the right one for here. So it was interesting how, you know, just that one simple little change. I just listed a piece on Etsy and I did not put hanging hardware on it. I just have it taped in a baggie on the back because I thought it looked wonderful in all directions. I could not decide. And I've thought about doing that because it's so easy to put obviously not hanging wire, but those little sawtooth hangers, you just need a little screwdriver. So I think, but I I don't like to do that. I like to pre-hang it, but that one I just couldn't. I really could not decide which way. These colors turn out way, way better than I thought they would. And it doesn't look like a painting with silicone, which kind of makes me wonder what would it have looked like if I didn't use any at all. Because this doesn't have the cells like a silicone does. Until I torch it. And there they go. Now you can see. I'm really fond of that. I'm going to scoop white up. I don't want to lose all of it. Yeah, I'm just kind of bringing it back to how it was before I tilted it off. I like it, I like it. I am fixing the side over here where there's, I really like it. I will bring you on over so you can get a closer look. Lots of cool detail. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.